Hello friends and welcome back. So in this session I am going to cover how you can apply the patch in the JBoss Enterprise Application Server 8 or 8.1. So as of today in 2026 the latest version of JBoss EAP is 8 and 8.1. Okay. So in the prior version the patching process was completely different. There was some zip file and then we were applying with the help of CLI tool. Okay, but now from JBoss EAP 8 onwards, okay, the patching method has been changed. Okay, it is done with the help of channel repositories. Okay, it's not like that you are getting some zip file which you are going to apply in the traditional way. So we have some separate channels, and with the help of that particular channels, okay, which is the Maven repositories, we have option either you can apply the patch in online mode or in offline mode. So if it is online mode, that means you need the internet connectivity when you are going to apply the patch in your server where the JBoss is running. If it is an offline, then you need to download the particular Maven repository in your local system and then you can apply that. Okay, so this patching is also referred as the minor version upgrade. Okay, because we will be doing some minor version upgrade. Okay, and again in the minor version upgrade is a two kind. It's okay, where it has some bug fixes and security updates, or there would be some other updates like from 8 to 8.1. So I'm going to explain this concept in this particular session, and I will show you one of the method with the execution, because we have few multiple methods for applying the patches. Okay, so I will explain you one of the method, okay, how you can update the minor version of the JBoss EAP, or how you can apply the patch. Okay, so now for that I'm going to follow this digitalk documentation for the JBoss administration. Okay, and in this document, okay, so let me first explain you. Okay, so you will understand it in an easy way. Okay, what is the JBoss minor upgrade, or which is also referred as a patching. Okay, so we have a two kind of a upgrade. One is called the minor upgrade and second is called the major upgrade. Okay, so minor upgrade is moving with the same major version family. That means, for example, if say that we are on the EAP 8.0 version. Okay, so this 8 version is the major version. Okay, so now suppose that from this 8 version, we may have some releases, okay, some bug fixes or some patches or maybe some minor update. Okay, for example, 8.0 to 8.1. Okay, so now here the major version is same, 8. Okay, so this is not called as a major upgrade. This is called a minor upgrade. Okay, and now in this again we have a two kind of updates. The very first thing is either we are going from 8.0 to 8.1. So 8.1 is the current one as of today in 2026, the latest release of EAP. Okay, on top of your 8.0. Okay, and apart from that you may have some bug fixes or some security fixes patches. Okay, so in that case it will not be like 8.0 to 8.1. So this will be inside the 8.0 only. For example, 8.0 is the current version of your EAP. You have not upgraded to 8.1 yet. Okay, so you will apply a security patch or the latest minor bug fixes or security update patches available in your JBoss. So it will be changed to now 8.0.12. So now you can see 8.0 is same. The major version is same. Okay, there is no minor upgrade. It's only the major base version. On top of that, you have applied some bug fixes or security patches. So it will called as the release 8.0 update 12. Okay, so if you check the version, okay, there is a version.txt file in the JBoss home. So you will see the version is 8.0, which is the base version. On top of that, you will see the update 12. Okay, so this is called the minor upgrade. Now, when we talk about the major upgrade, so that means you are doing the major version changes. For example, if you are running on some 7.x versions and now you want to upgrade to 8.0, so now you can see that it changing from 7 to 8. So this 7 to 8 means this is a major version upgrade and the process is completely different. This is a complex upgrade when we talk about the major upgrade in comparison with the minor upgrade. So minor upgrades are very straightforward, okay, which you can apply with some precautions in your system. But when you're going for a major upgrade, this need a very thorough understanding of your systems, then a lot of pre-works and then the execution. So this is a major upgrade, okay, which is going to take time. So I am going to cover the minor upgrade, this one, because this is a very regular activity that you have to do in your environment whenever there is a bug or security fixes, patches are released, or there would be some releases like 8.2, 8.1. That means inside the same major version. Okay. So now hope you understand this minor and major upgrade. So it is something like if you have a iOS 17, okay, so there would be a lot of upgrades in our Android or iOS phones as well. So if we are getting some iOS update like 17.0 to 17.1, so this is a small upgrade, very minor upgrade, right? Where some phone, some application just fixes a small improvement. But when we go for like iOS to iOS 17, which is a big update, major version upgrade. So okay, so there would be possibility that some of the old application may not work, they may need to update because this is a major iOS upgrade. Similarly, in the JBoss as well, if you are going for a major upgrade, you may need to enhance your application. There are a lot of functionality that is going to be depreciated, right? So this is called a major upgrade. Now, that means what I said, there is no more one-off patches. So till 7.x we are getting the zip files for patching, but from 8 onwards you do not have any zip files. So it is completely handled with the help of channel. Okay, and for this channel that it is pointing to a Maven repository. For each and every channels we will have a corresponding Maven repositories, and whenever you apply the patch, okay, so it automatically update from the particular Maven repository. Okay, so I will explain you what exactly it is or how to verify that what is the current channel and what is the current Maven repository URL from where you are going to update your current JBoss version when you are applying this any of the patches. Okay, and whenever you go for the documentation, you will see at the current latest versions of the EAP from 8.0 onwards. It's supporting the different mechanism of applying the patches or upgrade, and then you will see a term Prospero, a tool called Prospero. It is nothing but it is an installation manager. Okay, so we have an installation manager in the JBoss EAP. Okay, that you can download from the portal. Okay, so if you see here that I am on the Red Hat portal as of now. Okay, so here you can search for the installation manager, and then you will see it here. Okay, so you can see here this is the installation manager, 8.1 installation manager. Okay, current 8.1 installation manager. Okay, so this is a tool that you can use for upgrading or applying the patches. And apart from that, there are multiple other options are available. I will explain you. Okay, so this installation manager tool is itself called Prospero. Okay, so now we are clear on the major and minor upgrades of your JBoss EAP. No more zip files, and then everything is going through the channel with the help of Maven repositories. Okay, so Prospero is the installation manager. Hope it is clear to you. Now, the different ways of applying the minor upgrade. So we have the JBoss installation manager, which I have just explained to you. Then second method is JBoss management CLI. Okay, so JBoss CLI is the same command line utility that is in bundled with the JBoss. You don't need to install it separately, right? We run the add this CLI from the bin directory, and then we run the different commands. That means whatever the activity that we do from the management console, everything we can do with the help of command line as well, right? So you don't need to install it separately. It is bundled with the JBoss. Apart from that, we have option to apply some patches from the WebLogic management console as well, and then we have the RPM as well. So if you have installed the JBoss EAP with the help of RPM installation, then this method will be applied there. Okay, so these are the different method based on your installation, and if you have internet access on your system or not, you are going to install the patches online or offline. Okay, so now, but apart from that, there are certain limitations. Okay, that means there are some patches or upgrade that you can do with the help of installation manager. Some of them you can do with the help of CLIs. That means all the methods are not supported by the single tool. Right, that means if you want to upgrade from this 8.0.0 to 8.0.12, okay, for some bug fixes and patches, then it may be supported on one of the method. But if you are going to upgrade like 8.0 to 8.1, okay, which is also referred as a minor upgrade, so some of the tools may not support this. Okay, so I have covered everything is in this document, in our digitalk lab document. Okay, every method, every process with explanation, how to execute, what is the syntax for that, what is the logic for that, everything is covered. Okay, so far I have covered to you about the major and minor upgrades. No more zip files, channels, Maven repositories, and then Prospero, which is installation manager. And now these are the different tools, okay, that we can utilize for the this minor upgrades. Okay, so online and offline, I have explained. Online means you you should have access of internet in your system where the JBoss is running. But if you do not have an internet access, because multiple times in the our environments we run our JBoss in the application server, which is the private zone, private network, we do not have internet access. Okay, so in that case, you can download it offline, paste, stage it in your server, and then you can apply it offline as well using all these tools. Okay. So now, let me explain you one of the method, okay, with the help of installation manager. There are a lot of theory or concepts are there, okay, that I will cover slowly in some other sessions, okay. The major theory part I have already covered, or the basic logic I have already covered. Okay, now suppose that you are going to bug fix update from 8.0 to 8.0.12. Okay, that means what we are doing right now, we are applying some one of the latest available bug fixes or security patches which is there in our channel, current channel or the Maven repository. Okay, so as of now, my installation, okay, is the JBoss 8, not 8.1. Okay, so what I will do, I will just apply the latest bug fixes or patch. Currently, as of now, this is just a base version of the JBoss EAP. Okay, so if I open this version.txt file, okay, so then you will see here, okay, it is showing version 8.0 GA. Okay, so this is the base version of 8.0. It is not upgraded to 8.1. Okay, also we have not applied any patch, otherwise you could have seen here the 8.0 and then update 12, update 11, something like that. So this is the base version of the your JBoss EAP 8.0. Okay, so now here what we will do, I will tell you that how to upgrade it to the latest latest patch update. Okay, so now we do not have any zip file. Okay, so as I said, we have two method. Either you can download from the internet, okay, or either you can apply online as well. So I'm going to show you how you can apply online, which is a very straightforward process. But before that, I will tell you the concept of channel. So what I said to you some time back, now every update is happening from the channel, which is a Maven repository. Okay, so now because I have installed the JBoss 8.0 as of now in my system, which I have just shown to you here, right? This is the 8.0. So currently when you install 8.0, then the current channel of your JBoss is automatically pointing to 8.0 Maven repository. Okay, so if I show you that, okay, so let me go back to console. Okay, so let me show you it on the console, localhost 990 and then console. Okay, JBoss admin. Okay, so here I am on the console right now. Okay, so if I go to update manager, so you will see update and channels here, right? So this is the update, and then this is the channel. Okay, so this will list all the channels subscribed to by the existing JBoss installation. So as I said, I have installed JBoss 8.0. So this is the current channel, okay, which is pointing to your 8.0 Maven repository. So this is the URL of Maven repository from where it is automatically going to apply the latest patches, okay, by downloading online if you have internet access. Okay, and it is pointing to, you can see here manifest, it is pointing to 8.0 currently because I have installed the 8.0. Okay, so now if I go to update, okay, so here you can see the default update that is there in this particular version of the JBoss that I have installed. Okay, so this is the update number which you can see here. Okay, and this is the timestamp when it was applied last time. Okay, so this is the default update that is come automatically with the JBoss when I have installed. So these are the different update that has been installed by this particular patch version, or you can say update, which is the default 8.0 EAP update. Okay, on top of that, we have not applied any other updates. Otherwise, it will be listed here as well. Okay, with the latest timestamp. Okay, and along with that, it is updated here as well with the 8.0 and then update 11, 12, something like that. So as of now, it is pointing to the 8.0 repository, default repository, right? So that means whatever the update we are going to apply here, okay, it will automatically come from the 8.0 repository only. And it will look for the latest updates, whatever the latest update, bug fixes or patches are available for 8.0, and it will apply automatically from this particular repository, which is the 8.0 repository. Right, so this is not going to update from 8.0 to 8.1 because for 8.1 you will have a separate Maven repository, not 8.0. Right, so by default, as I said, when you are going to apply the update with using the current Maven repository which is pointing to 8.0, so what will happen in that case, it will automatically check for the update which is available for 8.0. Okay, and after applying this update you will see something like that, 8.0 to 8.0.12. It could be 11, 13, 14, whatever the latest update is there, but it will not upgrade to 8.0 to 8.1 because for that you will have a separate channel. This 8.0 channel will not work here. If you wanted to upgrade from 8.0 to 8.1, okay, so what we need to do, we need to update this channel. So we need to delete this channel, we need to unsubscribe from 8.0 channel, and we need to subscribe for the 8.1 channel, and then we can run the update online. So in that case, it will automatically look for the 8.1 repository, okay, and then it will apply the update. But right now it is a 8.0, so it is automatically going to check for 8.0 repository, and whatever the latest update is there, like the update 12, it will automatically apply that online. Okay, so these every concept are covered in this document. Okay, so let me scroll down and show you here. Okay, so here I have mentioned everything, like how you can apply for remove the existing repository, and then how you apply the 8.1 repository, and then how you can update with the help of this particular repository. So everything is covered in detail. Okay, so as I said, there are multiple methods you can apply from the console, so everything is covered. Okay, so one by one in the future sessions I will cover these as well. Okay, how you can apply that. So as of now, what I'm showing you, how you can apply with the help of online, with the help of installation manager. So we have a different tool as I explained here. So what I'm going to show you, how you can apply the patch with the help of installation manager online in the current channel only, which is the 8.0 in my case. Okay, so this is the command. First you can check to list for the update. You want to check what all the updates are available for your current version of JBoss. Okay, current update or current patch that is available. Okay, you can run this command. So for that you can just download the installation manager. Okay, so how to download that I have explained to you. This is a simple installer, you can download and install in your system. Okay, once this is done, you can just go here, run the command. This is a utility. It is a bat on the Windows. If you run the Linux, then it will be a .sh. Then you have to run the update list. Okay, make sure to specify the list here, and then your JBoss directory, wherever you have installed the JBoss, which is referred to the JBoss home. Okay, and run this command. Okay, so it is going to take some time. Okay, because it is going to contact your online repository, and which repository? By default, it is going to contact this one. This is the online Maven repository, and default subscription is for 8.0. This is the latest update as of now, which is automatically installed with the JBoss. And once your latest update, which you are going to apply, okay, which will be installed, then you will see here as well whatever the latest update that is going to be applied. So all updates will be listed here. Okay, so now you can see here, checking update. It is checking for whatever the update that is available. So now you can see updates found, and you will see a long list here. Okay, so this is the latest updates that is available for my 8.0 version. Okay, so that means whenever I'm going to run the next command to update my current JBoss EAP 8.0, so all these updates are going to be applied. All these patches are going to be applied in your JBoss home. Okay, and once this is applied, okay, then you will see it will be reflect here, just like this one. The latest update, on which date it is applied, what all are the component that has been installed, okay, with this particular update. So what this is going to do, this will update from 8.0 to 8.0.12. As of now, it is update 12. Okay, or it may be 13. Okay, so now we know that we have a update. So if you do not have any update, then you will see something like that. No updates found if there is no update. If you have update, then you will see everything here like this one. Right? Now, whatever the channel list that I have shown to you here, okay, from where it is going to update, from this particular channel list. Right, and same you can check with the help of command as well. You want to check the list, okay, from command line, because whenever we do the automations, we always go for the commands in the scripting, right? So you can run this command, and this will list you the same repository, from which repository currently your JBoss is subscribed. So as I said, I have installed the JBoss 8.0. Okay, so it will automatically subscribe to 8.0. Okay, and it is checking the update which is available in 8.0. Okay, and again, as I said, if you are going to update from 8.0 to 8.1, so for 8.8 to 8.1, this will not work, because this is the 8.0 repository. So we need to remove this particular current default channel, and we need to update the channel for 8.1. And once the channel is updated, then we can apply the 8.1 update, because after that it will be subscribed to the 8.1 repository. Right. So this is the way how you can list. And now to apply the update, okay, we can just remove the list from the same update command. So here we have run the update list, so you can read the list, remove the list, and just run the update, and this is going to apply the update in your system. So what will happen now if you have a your internet connectivity? Okay, so it is going to apply the latest update in your JBoss home. Okay, so let me correct it. So now what will happen here? It will just apply all the update, whatever the update that we have seen here. All this update will be applied in your JBoss home. Okay, so you have to. It will prompt you for yes or no. You can just give the yes. Okay, after that it will automatically start downloading all the packages, and again based on your internet speed it will take some time to download all these packages because it may be 200 300 MB or more than that. So it will take some time to download and install all the packages in your system. Okay, and once this update is completed, then you will see a successful message. Okay, so you can see here we have entered the yes. So once it is applied, you will see the message like this one: build update complete, applying updates, update complete, right? And after that, once you are going to open this particular version.txt file, which is as of now version 8.0 version, okay, it will be changed to something like that: version 8.0 update 12. Okay, and that means you will have a version now 8.0.12, and you have successfully applied the latest available bug fixes or security patches, whatever is available for your current channel or for your current Maven repository where your JBoss is pointing. So this is the way how you can apply the patch. Okay, so in the next further subsessions, okay, I will show you the different other methods how you can upgrade do the minor upgrade like 8.0 to 8.1 with the help of this installation manager, or maybe with the help of some CLI or some other tools wherever applicable. So as I said, some of the updates you can do with the help of some tool, but some of the updates you may not able to do like with the CLI. So there are some dependencies and some limitations, okay, so which I have explained in this document. Okay, so I will explain you one by one in the next future sessions. Okay, so hope as of now it is clear to you the important concept, which is what is the how we apply the patches in the JBoss EAP, or how we do the upgrades, minor upgrade from 8.0 onwards. What are major upgrades? What are the minor upgrades? The concept of zip patches has been removed. What is channel? What is Maven repository? Prospero tool, which is the installation manager tool. Different utilities that we use for your applying your minor upgrades. And we have the online and offline update. If you have internet access on your system, you can apply online. If you do not have online access, you can download the offline and apply. So when you are going to apply it offline, okay, so let me show you here. You can download it directly from here. You click on the update, and here you will see the update patch. This is the security type. What kind of a patch it is? Security patch or the security updates. Okay, so you can download it here, and you can apply offline if you do not have internet access, right? So this is called the online and offline. And then I have shown to you how to apply the patch online, or you can say how to apply the minor update in the JBoss home, okay, with the help of installation manager tool online. What is the syntax for that? How to check the current list, how to check for the channel list from the command line, and also from the console as well, how you can validate that, what is the current channels and the subscriptions. And then you can run the update command, and once the update is completed, how you can validate? You can just check in the version.txt what is the current update that has been applied.